Hello everyone. So after yesterday's walk, Zeus started taking a lot more interest in Raven. Raven was flirting back a bit with him. So I'm wondering, is she gonna be one of those ones that ovulates way sooner than she should? Now she's not flirting with Duds, and Duds isn't interested, but he's not that interested in Pumpkin. The pod's off his head. So I think, just to be safe, I'm gonna not walk Raven just until the season's over with. Good boy, Dudders! So yeah, that's kind of my plan. So today's I've been trying to sort out stuff ready for Phoebe, but my issue is, it's not really an issue because I got other crates, but my plan has always been and always is to crate train because they need it for shows. It's handy when you leave because you know where the puppy is, you know the puppy's safe, you know the puppy's not chewing anything it shouldn't be chewing, it's not picking up any bad habits, it just works really well. So the issue is Pod is in that crate at the minute because of the seasons, and I like a metal crate for a puppy because they kind of learn they can't chew and push their way out. So I might order another crate in that size and put one in a soft crate. I'll probably put Pod in the soft crate, but if Pod sort of fights his way to freedom in the soft crate, I've got a big metal crate in the dog room, so I'm kind of fine, but the timings of the season could have made life easier for me, you know what I mean? So maybe I'll try Pod in a soft crate today, get the smaller crate, metal crate, set up ready for Phoebe, and then see how Pod settles, and then he can either be in that soft crate in the room with us all, or he can be in the metal crate in the other room. And yes, Pumpkin and Raven do get crated too, so Pod gets a bit of time out, but Pod does also go for walks, so he gets like outside time with us, but inside it's generally it's easier just to crate Pod, because if he's out of the crate and the in-season girls are in the crate, he's running around stressed out trying to get into the crate with the girls, whereas when he's in the crate he just goes to sleep, so it does work out easier. But anyway, I'm rambling, but yeah, there's quite a lot of people that watch this channel and have lots of opinions, and shall I just say that if I didn't want somebody to know something, I wouldn't be putting it on YouTube and Facebook. So do I care? No. I share what I want to share, and I don't share what I don't want to share, which it's just funny people have opinions, and that's kind of why I did it, because regardless of if you're really public or really private with the dogs and what you do, people will always have opinions. So I just want to be like, here I am, this is what I do, have an opinion if you want, but I don't care. I'm open and honest with this and the dogs and what we do, and yeah. Dudders, you good boy, you spare dog, you're just my pet dog, aren't you? You want a tennis ball, Duds? Yeah, do you want a tennis ball? He still can't pop that red boomer ball. He still tries. Where's your ball gone, Duds? Go find the ball, Dudders. I'm going straight to the ball. It's in the long grass. There you go. He's got it. Oh God, it is! So because he can't pop the ball, he's ripping up the grass. Look at it. The patches where he's been. You got Dennis! Who needs a mower or a strimmer when you got a Dennis? Oh God, Duds! You're gonna get it, Dennis! I'm gonna pinch it, Dennis! I'm gonna pinch it. So, hello everyone. I just got back from a walk with some of them. Jude is in serious trouble because she's normally excellent on lead, like just trots along, loose lead the whole time, never an issue. Well, this blooming squirrel crossed our path and it's really hard to see, but there's a bit of a swelling and it's quite red. That's a rope burn. So Jude is in trouble. She's not really. It's just one of those things. But anyway, yeah, Pod's just gone back in the house because he came out walking with us. And yeah, I didn't really film the walk because I was just chilling. I was on the phone for a bit. Yeah, it's just relaxing. So I'm gonna come out in the field for a bit with these guys, and then I'm gonna go in and set up a soft crate and see how we get on with that. Then I got an idea for a cool video, maybe 2, maybe 3, see how we go. But I want to do a bit of a comparison on slow feeders, and that's a mixture of like the toys, enrichment type of items and a slow feeder bowl. So I got a Kong wobbler, I got a slow feeder bowl, I got the whole range from Glazebrook snuffle mats, and I've got a Kong wobbler. I've got 2 Nina Otterson items, and I've ordered another 2 things from Amazon. And what I'm planning on doing is like 10 pieces of kibble, for example, in each of the items, and then time the same dog with all of those items, and then sort of compare which takes them the longest. And I suppose to be a little bit more accurate, I'm going to have to do more than one dog at a time, you know, within a video. So I might end up doing all of them and put it in maybe at the end of like a video like this, so it's not so just the same thing. I don't know. I'll see how I'm going to do it. I'll definitely do one whole video with at least one dog going through all of them. I might do 2 in one video and then maybe just give you little snippets of the rest at the end of a separate video, because I don't know how interesting you're going to find it, or maybe I'll end up doing like 2 videos on the same day and just put it all in like a little playlist. I'm quite decided the ins and outs of what I'm doing, but I think it'll be quite a nice little thing. It'll be nice for everybody to see how different ones compare. Nala, what are you doing? Get the birdie. So yeah, Nala, Raven, Aria, and if Pod was here and the girls were in season, he'd be joining in the chase too. What are you doing? fun dads. So yeah, anyway, that's one of my plans for a video at some point, or a series of videos. I don't know. I'm going to do something with it all anyway. So yeah, I'm going to leave this here, and I shall see you all soon. Bye.